guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tricelle. I am an adult doll collector and I do love all things 1/6 scale. I am going to be talking about some Mini BarbieLand playsets that I got. Now they weren't on sale. I do have a few items that I found at the Dollar Tree that I want to discuss, and I have something that I got on sale for the holiday or what have you, but I do want to open these play sets. They were $5.99 on Amazon. I just got the two. I have the Mini BarbieLand, the pet shop. What is it? It doesn't, I guess it doesn't say what it is. Well, this is the pet shop or what have you, and then this is the beauty supplies. So I'm going to open these up so we can take a look at them. Look at this teeny tiny bird. Wow. Tiny. So I saw my Froggy Stuff do this. Toya on my Froggy Stuff, she cut the packaging to make the backdrop. So I wanted to do that because I do like the packaging, and at least they're giving us enough space so we can do so. So I'm gonna fold this up like she did. So it does come with like a little fish tank. And then we have the little shop here, the counter, and these pieces here, they turn. This doesn't, and then the bird can go here. Let me see if I could push all these things, because they have the little, like the doll. It looks like what a doll that would come with the pet play set. The little outfit seems real similar with the heart, feet, and her face, like, it's painted on there, but it's a little pixelated. It looks good though. I love the Mini BarbieLand figures. And then you could just push them in here. So I have the little bird on the little swing, and then the cat fits in a little bit here. And it has this teeny tiny little hamster here. I don't know where this hamster is supposed to go though. Looks like it doesn't have a space for the hamster. And then we have this teeny tiny little cute dog. So it all fits right here. And it looks like the hamster is the only one that doesn't have a space. I do believe I did get a hamster in my last playset, but I don't know what I did with it. And as you can see, this is a good size for our dolls, like dolls for dolls. This is adorable. Like, I love the Mini BarbieLand because I know these are made for children, but for adult collectors like myself, like my mini me is going to be adult doll collector, as am I. So this is adorable. You could bring in another Miniland figure and then put it right there so you can have all your, play with your sets all at one time. So this is super cute. So this is the pet shop, which I totally love. Like, it's a great scene, and I do like that you're able to recycle the packaging to make like a little scene for the doll. So this is so cute. So next up, let's open up the beauty shop right here. And look at this cute little beauty supply. Like, the chair does like recline, and it moves. So it moves around here. The cash register, it moves around. This is so adorable. Like, I love it. I wish that the floor was a different color. Maybe, if it not so much green, because it has like blue, purple, pink, black or what have you, or two different shades of pink. So if it would have pulled from the colors and just been a different color, I think that would have been better. But overall, I still think this is adorable. Here is the doll. She has like red brownish hair with a houndstooth print dress, blue shoes, the heart peg, of course, and I like this. Again, I feel like we've seen these dolls before with play sets in real life. So there is a heart peg for the doll to be behind the register here. This is adorable. Like, I'm not gonna even lie. I'm so glad they're coming up with play sets because this is just too cute. So we do get a blow dryer. It looks a little too big for the doll, but it is super cute. So the blow dryer goes in that little slot there. That's totally cute. And then we get this teeny tiny little comb. Like, look at, you guys, I'm always dropping stuff, but you get this teeny tiny little comb. It's adorable. And it fits in the slot. Like, I cannot with these little details. Look at this cute little brush. It's adorable. It's so cute. And it fits. Like, I can't. It's killing me how adorable this is. This is just killing me. The beauty shop is absolutely adorable. Now, they had one other playset, but it sold out. I don't even remember what it was, and I can't see it. And it had the card, but I already had the card. It came with a wave, and I didn't want to, like, it didn't give me like a different card, so I didn't want it. But they had a few other mini BarbieLand playsets, so I am happy that they are including those. So I got this Polly Pocket set here. It was on sale for $11 and some change for the holiday, which is a great deal. I picked it up at Walmart. It was in store. I found it. It was marked down, and I was like, "Ooh, $11!" Because I feel like you get so much more for $11. You get 3 dolls, pets, a whole house, plus accessories. Where I believe I paid $9.88 at Walmart for these 3 houses, and it only came with a doll and a pet. So for a little bit more, I felt like this was a good deal, but I'm gonna stop talking and then open it up so we can take a closer look at it. So here is how the house looks all closed up, and it's super cute. I love that it looks like an actual house. I like Polly Pocket or whatever, but they oftentimes they don't look like little houses. I like it to look more like a doll, like a dollhouse, and this is definitely giving that. So I do love that about this. And then, of course, if you open it up, it has so much more. It does come with a slide, and you just attach it right here, and it goes to the little pool right here. It has like grass, has like a wheelchair ramp, steps, and a little sidewalk, and then you see a little kitchen. It has like, a bed, has a functional elevator here. This is super, super cute. You do get a little palm tree. So I guess this is supposed to be comparable to like the dream house here, because I noticed this also has a slide and has the palm tree and a bed and a functional elevator, and they're kind of similar. You do get a little pet here. It comes with a little Barbie doll, and she has little pegs at her feet so you can plug her in. And then you do get another Barbie doll figure here. And then this figure here. Here's the little wheelchair. And look how cute this is. The doll fits right in the wheelchair. Polly Pocket has some articulation too. I guess we have yes, a life vest for the pool. Okay, and see, I'm dropping stuff. Oh, it goes right here. It has 2 little pegs, and it feels rubbery. So it goes right here. So the swing goes there, and I guess if the swing is there, we'll just have to put the tree out here in the yard. We'll put the tree in the yard so the swing can go there. So the wheelchair can go in here so it can move up. That's really cute. We also have a dog house. We have a little table. So it comes with 2 chairs too, which is super, super cute. We also get a pitcher for a drink. This is so cute. 2 pineapple drinks, 1 pink and 1 yellow. This is adorable. So here is the Polly Pocket house. It is super cute and it has the 3 levels, function elevator, accessories, along with you know, an area where they can sit out in the garden, the pool area, the pet with the pet house. I think this is a nice addition to my collection here, and I'm totally loving this vibe. Like, this is so spot on, and to me it's super comparable to the Mini BarbieLand. And if you can get it on sale the way I got mine on sale, then it's a great value in my opinion. So yeah, I'm so loving this. This is adorable. Polly Pockets, they have movement at the waist. They can move at their arms and their legs and their hip. They have movement there. And yeah, so they have more articulation than the Mini BarbieLand figures. But I mean, here is the size comparison. So the Mini BarbieLand is just way, you know, a little bit taller. And here is how the Polly Pocket looks with the doll. I mean, it's a good little, it's a lot smaller, but it's still really doable. I think it's a, you know, a great doll for a doll. Now I did get this World's Smallest Barbie. I got it a few months ago. It was $19.59. It was on sale. I got it for like $6. I believe I got it at Forever 21. Yeah, I found this at Forever 21 for like $6 or something like that. So I just picked it up, and I thought, since I am looking at dolls for dolls, I was gonna open it up and take a look, you know, take a closer look at it. So the World's Smallest doll, it does have articulation at the arms, the hip, and that's it. Yeah, oh, the head, the neck. So it can rotate at the head. And in comparison to the Mini BarbieLand, is quite large. But I do still think it's a good size for the dolls. So yeah, I think it still works. And the face is painted all the way through. And it does come with the doll stand, so that's pretty cool. So the World's Smallest Barbie, even on sale, is $6, but you can go to the Dollar Tree and get the Mini Barbie figures for $1.25 each. I found them. I had to go to 2 different stores, but I did find a lot of them, and these are based off of actual fashionistas, the older ones, which are super, super cute, and I'm happy to have them. It is a little shorter than the World's Smallest Barbie, but the price is shorter too, and I'm feeling that. And it's taller than the Mini BarbieLand figures, as you can see here. So you have a couple of different options if you want dolls for dolls. Now I do like that they're basing the figures from the Dollar Tree off of fashionistas. Last time I did collect some of the other ones last year, so I found the sports theme one. As you can see here, I have a sports Barbie, and this particular figure is a little bit taller than the new fashionistas at the Dollar Tree. Both $1.25, it's just one is a little bit taller. So I do like that the new fashionistas that are available is a little bit shorter. In my opinion, it's just a little bit more compatible. And then I'm putting up a Bratz doll just so you can see the difference between the figures. So we have the 2 figures from the Dollar Tree, a World's Smallest Barbie, and then the mini Bratz dolls, and of course regular fashionistas with a Polly Pocket. I'm going to open up the rest of the dolls so we can take a look. Well, look at her cute little dress. Look, they're so cute. Oh, look at these. I don't have any of these fashionistas because these are the older ones, the more original fashionistas, but I wish I did. They're adorable. And I so wish I could have found the fashionista with the blue hair like in real life, so I could have the doll and then my mini me could have that doll. She's gorgeous. But I do love these little mini fashionista figures. Like normally I take a picture of the box, print it out, but having the dolls in miniature form is just so much better in my opinion. But I'm not mad at my little printouts either. So you let me know what you think about how I do my collecting in the comments down below. And I did find the Monster High figures for $1.25, but I was only able to find 3. So I have Frankie, and yeah, they're the same height as the fashionistas here. And for $1.25, I think these are fabulous dolls for dolls. And then I have Laguna and Draculaura. I thought I had Claudine. I really did, but I can't find the figure. I'll be buying so much and then putting it in my room, and I might still have it. Obviously if I do, I'll open it up or whatever, but this is what I have so far. And I do love these little figures, and they make still make great dolls for dolls in my opinion. So I'm not mad at these figures. I'm going to be happy to add them on display in the dolls room. So these are so cute. So thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. And until the next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.